Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. I have received a gift from our friends from BLOCC-Cebu, and let me introduce you to BLOCC. This is an imported face shield that is very far from the rest of the face shields in the market. If you want to know why, stay tuned.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you,
Every time you order a BLOCC face shield, you will receive this bag. In this bag, you will get a box. Each box is sealed for your protection. Each box of BLOCC will come along with a face shield, the protective pouch, and a special cloth to clean up your face shield. Now let me talk more about this BLOCC. So if you can see, it has a perfect fit. This is actually detachable. So if you want to wear eyeglasses and shades, you can simply detach the nose rest. The material they used to create this face shield is transparent polycarbonate. They also applied fog and scratch resistant coatings to make sure that your face shields are 100% protected. This face shield was designed by the BLOCC Group in South Korea and assembled in China. Please do take note that this face shield is for personal use and not to be used for medical and laboratory settings. This face shield has UV 380 nm for consistent quality and UV protection for your eyes and your skin. It also serves as a wind deflector, so it's perfect for biking and has proper airflow so you can use it while running. It is FDA approved and patented internationally, so please do be careful from fakes. And if you didn't know, this is the lightest face shield in the market. It only weighs 60 grams for medium-sized face shields. So I'll be using this face shield later on while I work out, and we will see if it won't fall off. Guys, if you wish to purchase this face shield, please do message BLOCC-Cebu, that's BLOCC-Cebu. They are the only distributor here in Visayas and the Mindanao. If you have any questions about the price, they will be answering your question as well. Although BLOCC is created for personal use and not for medical and lab settings, the material they used for BLOCC is the same material that they used to make medical goggles. So it is guaranteed to be durable. BLOCC is reusable, so you can simply wash it with soap and water and dry it up with cotton fiber. BLOCC has enough space for your eyewear and your mask. Using BLOCC alone ensures you that you are protected because it can cover your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, which are possible entries of contamination and entries of the viruses and the bacteria. So let's check if the BLOCC won't really fall off while we are skipping ropes.
With this feeling, I can leave. I'm walking and I'm will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear it's cold?
Excellent. Alright, so you just saw how the BLOCC is sturdy on your face. It did not really fall off while I was jumping ropes. Let's try to run around and let's see if it will fall off. It didn't, guys. With that test, I can guarantee that the BLOCC won't really fall off if you're running. I'll try this out when biking though, but not today. But I hope you got the gist of how sturdy and how stable BLOCC is on your face if you're doing outdoor activities. So guys, just to tell you, the pandemic is ongoing and we don't really know when it will end. So it's best to invest on quality face shields like BLOCC while you can, right? So don't forget, we have a Facebook page, BLOCC-Cebu, that's BLOCC-Cebu, if you want to purchase this kind of face shield. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye, lovies! So make sure you invest on quality face shields like this with comfort and style. And once again, this can be bought at BLOCC-Cebu in Facebook and Instagram. Just another feedback. Because of the space between the face shield and my face, I can actually breathe well while wearing this. So I am sure that I'm protected. My eyes are protected, my nose and my mouth are protected while I'm running, even if I don't have a mask on. So great job, BLOCC-Cebu. Thank you so much for this. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions about this product or any of my vlogs, please do leave them in the comment section. And also, please show your support by clicking on the subscribe button and tapping on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. I also activated my membership, so if you wish to be part of my clans, please do click on that join button below. Don't forget to like and follow BLOCC-Cebu in Facebook and Instagram, and you can also ask them for any questions about this product.
See the sun goes down, driving light in heart, counting trees around. This is our day.